In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can turn on story notifications on Snapchat. Okay, so once you've launched up Snapchat and you're on the record screen, you want to go ahead and swipe to the right to go to your chats. Now, to turn on story notifications for a specific friend, all you need to do is tap on their profile icon if you've recently had a chat with them. So tap on their profile icon and it'll take you to their profile page. And then all you need to do is tap on those three vertical dots at the top right. And it'll bring you up a whole bunch of options, and you can see one of the options is story notifications, and mine is off. And if you toggle that on, that will send you a notification every time this specific friend posts a new story. So that is how you turn on story notifications on Snapchat. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more. Take care.